Okay, today we took a special look into SD Gundam. Yes, which is short for Super Deformed Gundam. Now this one is the SDW Heroes Dominant Superior D Dragon. Now from the side you can see it is a silverish and purple unit, and according to the description, this is the ultimate form with ancient technology, blah 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 blah. It looks pretty cool from the from the outlook here. And well, this is in Hong Kong dollars, so I got this for less than 20 US. It's quite a good deal. It's just a bit like around 15 US dollars. Now they got other series like the Superior Strike F Dragon and the Ultimate Justice Dragon. Well, now I got this one. This looks okay from the eyes. You can see it is quite evil enough to know that this should be the bad guys, not the good guys. So let's see what's inside. So I'm not really used to SD Gundam, so but this one looks really cool and cheap, so I take a look and voila. Okay, now the size of the stickers is almost like a quarter shape of the size of the box, which means terrible. A lot of freaking stickers. Now these are all clear parts and more clear parts, the purple parts, and wow, crap, black parts. So what happened to all the silver? Now this is one of the biggest reasons that I'm not interested in S. Now that's it, only 3 packs, and the third pack, same dull color parts. Oh my goodness, very poor part color separation, or like just 2 clear parts and that's it. Well, for those who used to assembling SD Gundam, you may all know about this, but well, that's one of the reasons I don't like, because the color separation is terrible, or literally ridiculous. So you can see it's for the parts, it's most of them are black. I don't even know whether I want to assemble that anymore. So literally it's very simple. There's only a few pages and sticker, and sticker. Oh, it's just ridiculous. Here it's just got a magnet of it, and you may and gosh, I just feel this didn't even worth less than 5 US dollars. Well, sometimes you just need to buy before you know that you are sort of, well, I'm not saying I'm deceived, but just absolutely astonished and disappointed. That's it for today.